You've come too far to watch opportunities pass by, so why not leverage the power of Newtopia Now's conscious connections? Your journey to more meaningful connections starts with a simple check for an email to the event platform. Step 1. Explore the event platform. Log in with your registered email and set up your password or request a magic link if it's your first time. Once logged in, you'll land on the event homepage where pink buttons guide you to exhibitors, agenda, speakers, and more. Step 2. Navigate effortlessly and find what you need without the hassle. Discover matches that matter with our recommendations tailored based on your interests and profile. Click on Conscious Connections Matches to see personalized matches and refine them by bookmarking interests or dismissing irrelevant recommendations. Step 3. Check the Beacon Discovery section for links to learn more about brands and their flagship products, all of which meet our high standards for ingredients and marketing transparency. Step 4. Ready to engage with retailers and brands? Schedule meetings in no time. Choose dates, invite participants, and select convenient locations, all in one place, streamlining your planning. Create and manage meetings effortlessly under My Meetings. Stay on top of your agenda and maximize your event experience. Step 5. Access all your meetings in My Meetings and stay organized. Make sure to review and edit as needed to ensure smooth interactions. Connecting with purpose and seizing opportunities has never been easier. Request access today and make your next connection count.